Hey guys, Alex here, Tech Tide AI, Columbus, Ohio, checking in. Just want to say hi. And today I'm going to showcase you 26 AI platforms, 120,000 lines of code, basically the ultimate AI portfolio of platforms, literally built overnight in less than 12 hours using Manus AI while hanging out in Discord with the Bold.new hackathon and building things with the hackathon crew. I've literally used my Manus AI and some of the extra credits that I have left over and build out 26 platforms. Let me double check that, okay? Yeah, 26 platforms built with Manus AI in less than 12 hours. Like I said, 120,000 lines of code. Before AI, this would be impossible, undoable. You need a full team of software developers to line that much code. Now you can do it overnight by a single person. So it's crazy. I know it's crazy. Now let's go over to our other screen and let's look at what's going on here, okay? So what if I told you that in front of you are 26 platforms built with over 120,000 lines of code spanning everywhere from healthcare to quantum computing to AI training to different kinds of educational platforms. And I'm taking you today on an exclusive tour through the most comprehensive AI portfolio that I've seen built in 12 hours. Are all these apps perfect? Absolutely not. But it's almost MVPs for each one that you can, roll it in Cursor or Windsurf or Applet or VS Code, and you can fix this overnight or over a couple of days and turn them into working platforms. So, it's still saving you a whole bunch of time, letting you prototype the stuff, on the go. If you don't understand software engineering, you can still build something. So I think that's really cool as well. So, let me share this with you guys. So the first thing today is a research and analytics powerhouse, basically a research intelligence platform for you, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to that platform. So let's see. There we go. And we got our research platform, right? So here it is. So you got market analytics, data works, graphs work, competitor analysis, company A, company B, slots here for stats and KPIs, SWOT analysis, research paper, graphs work, fully functioning, basically front end, knowledge graph, literature review, platform works. So that's number one, pretty cool. Now, number two, we have a multi-agent orchestration dashboard, and this is a mock-up dashboard to build AI agents. So let's look at that one today. Here we go, and boom. So we got system overview, health, metrics, connect mode. You got your different agents here. You got agent profiles. You got code generator, executor, analyzer. You can do different things with them. You can drag and drop them. So pretty cool. The agents work perfect harmony. You're building AI agents. You got something you can kind of click around in and play around with. So pretty cool one there, right? So let's move on to number three. Number three is going to be a developer's playground. So this is somewhere for like a junior developer or someone who doesn't even know coding. They can come here and play around with it and learn different codes. So you have your developer's playground. You have all the different types of code: TypeScript, Python, Java, C++, 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 HTML, CSS, JSONs, YAMLs, markdowns, and you can have your code analyzed as you build it. You can showcase demos of your code. You can monitor your code. Full dark and light mode built out right from the get-go. So, it's undergoing maintenance, but when it's live, it'd be a cool platform, right? So that's platform number three. Okay, moving on. So number four, we have a content creation studio. So it's being updated with new features, but it's a working site. Again, all these websites were built in one evening. Is in Manus AI. Majority of them were built from one single prompt. About three of these platforms, I did have to do a couple follow-up prompts to make them look presentable. but it got it right almost every time from a single prompt. So this is Content Creation Studio. So, you can create different kind of content. You can write papers. You can even go to demos. And some of the stuff actually works in the demo. So in the document generator, we can do a technical report. We can pick topic, AI, takeover, and we can pick a tone, academic, and length. We want a long, and we can generate a document. And our portal actually generates the document right here on our portal. This was built with one single prompt, one prompt. So pretty cool stuff here. All right, let's move on. And the next one is Healthcare Hub. So Healthcare Innovation Portal. It's where AI meets life-saving technology. So let's look at this one. This one's pretty cool, I think, if I remember correctly. Yeah, man, this one's beautiful. So this is a beautiful portal. Looks like something you could, use in production. You got all kinds of different tabs from medical imaging, patient education, processing of images, clinical trials, FDA submissions, compliance tracking. So, if you're a medical director of the hospital, this would be like a dream portal for you to kind of keep track of all these different things. So definitely pretty cool platform. Again, built pretty quickly with Manus AI. No real coding, the AI doing all the development for you, just prompting really well. So, pretty cool website here. The next one is the Financial Hub, and I think this one's super awesome. Beautiful website, came out beautifully. I love the colors, the dark mode. So look at this. So financial website. You can track your portfolio in real time. You can simulate your different kind of things. So you got your portfolio, you got your analytics, you got your Monte Carlo, investment. You can change different kind of stats on your investment and run different simulations. And if you change, these different metrics, you get a different simulation. So you got your SEC filings, you got risk management. So entire kind of financial dashboard built with Manus AI with one prompt, looking beautiful. I mean, it's crazy. This is just app number 6. Okay? So we're moving on to app number 7, and that's going to be a multimodal AI hub. So it's where magic happens, right? So video intelligence, audio processing, visual recognition, multimodal function. So different kind of stuff. Again, different portal. Wow, boom. We're here. We're in the multimodal AI hub. So, this is powerful AI capabilities. Cutting edge technology meets intuitive design from President AI processing power. Wow, I mean, entire portal, again, built with AI overnight, no issues, looking great, looking solid, got some demos even, got tabs working. So it again, another site, beautiful, done. Okay, so we're moving on to the next one. This is going to be number 8. And number 8, we got global expansion platform, and it's taking business worldwide with AI powered market analytics and cultural adaptation tools. So this one's super interesting, multicultural. It's called Global Expansion Platform. So let's look at this one. Again, this is only number 8 app. So number 8, market analysis, localization, cultural intelligence, currency and compliance, global deployment, world map, resources for, global expansion platform. Got some nice zero card stuff built out, looking sharp on the front. I like it. I think it's sweet. So that's that. Okay. So let's move on to number 9. And number 9 is going to be our analytics line. So this one's interesting too, because where data scientists come to play. So you can bring your data here and visualize it and play with it. Advanced visualizations, predictive modeling, real-time insights. You can turn your raw data into business intelligence, all that kind of fun stuff. So check this out. A/B testing, ML showcase, monitoring, quality assurance, all the graphs built out, systems looking sharp, entire website built for you using AI. All you have to do, hook it up to back end, get some of these things working, and you're basically fine. So that's pretty cool. So next one, we're going to move up to something a little bit different. And this one is kids platform. So it is Kids AI Explorer. Now we enter education space with Kids AI Explorer, learning made magical. So that's pretty cool again too. So this is going to be number 10. So number 10, let's look at that. So we got number 10. And this one is Kids Explorer. So look at that. Pretty freaking cool. You got continuous learning, reading adventures, math magic, science lab, code playground. So, you know, bright, playful. You can actually test out the platform. So it's actually a working Kids Explorer platform that allows you to play around, you know, with different things, kind of understand coding. So yeah, pretty cool project here. All right, moving on to 11, Senior Tech AI Hub. So this one's for the senior folks or our seniors who may not be up to date with AI, maybe kind of still trying to figure out all the digital changes. So this is our Senior Hub. So with the Senior Hub, we have providing the AIs for everyone with interfaces designed specifically for senior users. So we got learn, practice, progress.
You are now on the home page. You can navigate using the menu buttons at the top of the page.
See, it has
Each
a
button is clearly labeled.
built-in sound. So that's pretty cool. It tells you in sound voice what kind of stuff the website does. So
learn technology at your own pace with patient, step-by-step guidance. Our AI-powered platform is designed specifically for seniors who want to stay connected and confident in the digital world.
So that's pretty cool, right? So we're on 11, Senior AI Hub, okay? We're going to pick up the pace a little bit because I do want to get through these 26 in the next 5 to 7 minutes. So number 12, we got Corporate AI Skill Hub. So for the corporate employees who are freaking out, maybe your job got cut, maybe you just lost it in Microsoft or anywhere else. Well, guess what? This is a Corporate AI Skill Hub where you can skill up your skills with AI and, you know, enterprise-grade AI training for modern workforce. That's exactly what this is. So let's look at this. We got a dashboard, we got learning paths, we got course catalog, we got assessments, we got analytics. Wow, look at these dashboards. Analytic dashboards built out with one single prompt, analytics dashboards. Like, that's crazy. Team management, admin panel, all that stuff. So very cool, very cool. All right. So moving on to the next one. So this one's Creative AI Studio. So where's all my creative folks, graphic designers, architects? So this one's for you guys. So this is a Creative Skill Hub. So let's go ahead and figure this one out. And we got this Creative AI Studio. Create art with artificial intelligence. Like, wow, beautiful design, clear site. You got portfolio. Fortunately, my pictures didn't load in that one. You got tutorials. You got community. Again, some loading rendering issues with the default pictures, but the platform looks absolutely amazing for one single prompt using AI, right? So that's pretty beautiful. I think it's great. So we're moving on. All right, so next one is going to be a Rural Connect. And this one is to help train and help AI jobs land in rural areas. So, and it also helps you with different things where AI can assist in the rural community. So maybe it's farming, maybe it's farmers market, maybe it's growing your own crops. So there's courses, there's community, there's a profile. It's beautiful and green, simplistic, friendly to the eye. You can learn smart farming with AI, digital banking basics, start your business, AI for crop disease detection. So all these cool things built into the platform, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So this was what? Our Rural Connect number 14. So we're moving to number 15, and that is Global Connect, connecting AI researchers and developers worldwide. Again, this is 26 different platforms, portals, front ends, whatever you want to call it. This is 26 different platforms that I built in one single evening working with Menace AI. Yes, it took me somewhere between 8 to 12 hours to accomplish all 26 of them, but I built most of these with 1 to 3 prompts, majority just one single prompt, and they came out pretty well. Sorry guys, lost my mic. All right, moving on. So Global AI Connect. Let's look at this one. So this one clean, sharp, black and white, nothing fancy. It does have dark mode, absolutely stunning in black. So you got master AI skills with global community. Again, another training portal for a global community. Learn AI, 20 languages, certifications, community, courses. Again, dark white mode, pretty cool, pretty cool. Definitely a nice website. All right. So moving again, next one, number 16, AI training portal for people with special needs. Like, how cool is that? So this is especially a portal that is specifically, specifically made for people who need some extra help in one way or the other. So for this portal, we're gonna go ahead and load it here just because this doesn't work too well. So, and you guys may not see it, and I apologize. This one's a little tricky. It's somehow cached in. So it comes up a little funny here because it's in this kind of mode, accessibility mode on the login page, because I've already logged into it, and so it's cached. It's a cool looking portal, and definitely we'll look at this one more another time. So let's move on to the next one, number 17, and that's going to be healthcare AI learning, training next generation of medical AI professionals. So number 17, let's look at that. Oh, didn't work. Let's try it again. So healthcare learning AI. Train the next generation of AI medical professionals. Literally a training portal for your medical professional community to get upskilled with latest and greatest in AI. So case studies, CME tracking, profile, dashboard, keep up with your credits, just absolutely, again, clean profile, HIPAA compliant, all these cool things. Again, beautiful portal, build overnight. So moving on to number 18, and this one kind of is special to me. My mom being a psychologist, she's really into the enneagrams and about and believes in deeply about the 9 different personality types that everyone possesses. And so I wanted to build a portal that kind of speaks about that a little bit. So that's what I did. This next one is an enneagram portal. So you can go, and look at different types and test out the portal. I think I'm a 7, maybe an 8, not sure. So yeah. 9 types, what they do, how they work, figure them out, do a growth insight, growth assessment. So again, your Enneagram journey. So again, this is portal number 18 out of 26 built overnight using Manus AI. I know I can't keep saying this, but it's the truth. Manus AI built all these portals in single prompt, some of them in 3 prompts, but majority of them were built in one single shot. And these portals are just absolutely stunning, and they look great. So next one we're going to move on is going to be computer vision trainer. So we're moving on to a little bit more complicated portals, and I turned up the heat a little bit in the end. And this one is basically hands-on learning for visual AI systems. So somewhere where you can train your AI system, or you can learn how to work with visual AI systems. So, you got your training on your front page. You get through your training, and then you can train your visual model. So shape recognitions, all kinds of different things, different parameters, confusion matrix, performance matrix, model accuracy, training status. So you can literally connect and train your models from this portal, using computer vision. So absolutely, absolutely stunning again. Stunning portal. Hope you guys see it here now. Absolutely beautiful. All right. So next one is number 20. And number 20 is the chatbot conversion lab. And this one is really cool too. So let's look at this one. This one is the ultimate training ground for conversational AI. So you have your brain visualization, interactive training, challenge missions, absolutely beautiful landing page. You can enter the lab, and you can train your AI. Wow, look at this. You have matrices, you have bot designer, you got challenges, you got learning, you got intent mapper, you got sentiment. So, like, absolutely beautiful platforms. Again, built with Manus AI. Just great looking. I love it. So yeah, man, looks great. Let's move on to the next one. All right. So next one is a neural network builder, and this one is learn by building, start with, and gates progress complex natural architecture. So this one's super interesting. Again, very cool project. Start a level, input neuron, hidden neuron, output neuron. You can connect the neurons. You can mark different things. You can test network. So just again, network neuron building AI training application built with one prompt with Manus AI. Just absolutely amazing, amazing, amazing. All right. So, and then we go into data pattern detective. So this one finds all the data patterns that humans miss. So this is again another AI training app for data. And look at this app, just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful website design. You can investigate different things, find different kind of problems with your data, fraud detection case. So just absolutely amazing. Graphs, visuals, website, just killer. So again, new website, new design, different. This one's unique. I love it. I love it. I love it. So 33. So 23, 2, 3, 23. We got reinforcement learning playground where AI learns to learn. So this one's going to be neat too. Let's go and look at it. And here it comes. And we have the reinforced learning playground. So you can do immediate, advanced, beginner, start training, reset. So just entire platform built. You got a reward system built in. You got tutorial. So yeah, just another cool platform built out overnight. And then we're moving on to Teen Code AI Academy, and this is inspiring the next generation of AI developers. So this one is for teen training and getting teens involved with AI. So again, really cool, beautiful web. Let me make sure you guys can see it. Code your future with AI. Join thousands of teenagers learning how to code. Check this website out. It's absolutely stunning. I love it. Again, another pretty website, another pretty front end, nice graphics. So just looking great. All right. So now we're moving on to Eco AI learning. So this one is all learning about how AI and nature can work together. All you vegan friends, this is for you. So you can learn, you can carbon calculate, you can check climate data. It's a stunning website, a little crooked to the left, but still pretty good looking. I appreciate the landing page, it's beautiful. So, and I saved the last for least, or the best for last, not sure. So this one's Matrix AI, the quantum command center, and it brings it all together. And honestly, like this is the autonomous neural networks, holographic interfaces, cutting edge development, things like that. And it's just the most beautiful site that I built with any kind of AI from prompts. And I honestly thought about making this my homepage just because how beautiful it is. But check this out. I mean, check this out. This bad boy is just stunning. Wow. Just look at this. Graphics, glow, color changes, matrix, visualizations, holographic data, responsive, just beautiful, beautiful landing page. Just absolutely stunning. So yeah, conclusion. So there you have it. 26 platforms, 120,000 lines of code, spanning over every domain, healthcare to quantum computing. So 24 platforms, 100% modern React architecture, professional grade UI UX across all domains, universal analytics integration, scalable cloud ready infrastructure. So it's crazy. The future of AI isn't coming; it's here. So if you have AI tools, I highly encourage you to go deeper and explore this world and give it a shot and have fun with it. Okay. So peace. See you next time.